You don't need more motivation. You need a system that works when you feel like a potato, like a literal couch vegetable. Here's the truth. Motivation is unreliable. It's like that one friend who says, I'm 5 minutes away, but they haven't even left the house yet. Yeah, can't trust it. So if you've got big goals but zero energy, this is your lazy genius guide to time management. Let's go. Step 1. Lower the bar. You're trying to dominate your day when you can't even dominate your laundry. Stop that. Lower the bar. Like floor level. Instead of finish essay, make the goal open laptop. Boom. Win. The key is momentum. Once you start, your brain's like, wait, and we're actually doing something? Wild. Small steps. Big impact. Like ants building a mansion. Step 2. Use the lazy timer. Here's the hack. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Do anything productive for 10 minutes. Then quit if you want. But spoiler, you probably won't. Why it works. Starting feels hard. Doing is easier. It's the same reason putting on gym clothes makes you kind of want to work out. Kinda. Step 3. Time block for dummies. Don't try to be productive all day. That's a trap. Instead, pick a 2-hour window. Call it your do not disturb, I'm building my empire zone. Put your phone on airplane mode. Tell your friends you died. Not literally, maybe. During that time, no scrolling, no distractions. Just do the thing 2 focused hours. 8 fake productive ones. Step 4, reward yourself like a dog. Do task, get treat. Yes, we're dog training our own brain now. Finish homework? 10 minutes of TikTok. Clean your room? Cup of coffee. Work for 25 minutes? Meme break. Give your brain a reason to play nice. Otherwise, it's just going to keep asking, what if we took a nap? Forever. Step 5. One thing a day. Here's the rule. If you only did one thing today, what would make you feel like it wasn't a total waste? That's your focus. That's your mission. Everything else? Bonus points. Think main quest, not side missions. This isn't Skyrim. But what if you're still stuck? No motivation, no energy, just vibes and regret? That's when you pull out the emergency move. And no, it's not crying. Well, not yet. Hang tight. We're dropping the emergency motivation hack in the next video. All right, quick recap. Lower the bar 10-minute timer. Time block like a boss. Bribe your brain. Do one thing that matters. You don't need to be motivated. You just need a lazy-proof system. So hit that like button, comment potato power if you're still here, and subscribe for more content that makes productivity feel less painful.